Itbami nga tsabanwa, lalapit kami kaya ka akapmulang kapasalamatan din puso mi. Salamat kimbiye ampo kindoduang mong grasya aldo kaya kami. Kapman mo kaming kabyasnan at galingan, bang midala kami king gustong dalan, at kimot kami agpangking kaya kang kaburyan. Di na nyo kepong sikanan kabang daranasan milara kapag subukan, bang alampasan mi ingano mong kasakitang datang kaya kami. Sopan mo kaming maging suluning katutuan ng panggrasya, karang hanggang tao nga kakasabi mi. Gamitan mo kaming instrumento o Ginoo, ning kaya kang lugod at kayapan. Iting kaya kaming pangadi, kindagyo ng Jesus. Amen.
Ilagay natin ang kanang kamay sa kaliwang dibdib at buong puso nating awitin ang pambansang awit.
Bayang magiliw, pelas ng silanganan, alab ng puso, sa dibdib mo'y buhay. Lupang hinirang, duyan ka ng magiting, sa manlulupig, di ka pasisiil. Sa dagat at bundok, sa simoy at sa langit mong bughaw, may dilagang tula at awit sa paglayang minamahal. Ang kislap ng watawat mo'y tagumpay na nagniningning. Ang bituin at araw niya kailan pa may di magdidilim. Lupa ng araw ng walhati't pagsinta, buhay ay langit sa piling mo. Aming ligaya na pag may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
This is Radio World Broadcasting Corporation, DWRW CLTV Digital Channel 36, a commercial broadcast station with 2,500 watts transmitting power, authorized under station license number BSD-0485-2023, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until May 31, 2024. The CLTV 36 studios, offices, and transmitter are located at the Corporate Guarantee Building, Jose Abad Santos Avenue, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. CLTV 36 Broadcast Engineering is headed by Engineer Harold Kim Magaro with ECE number 16782. The CLTV 36 transmitter is maintained and operated by an electronics technician and engineer duly licensed by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. CLTV 36 is a proud member of the Kapisanan ng mga broadcaster ng Pilipinas. All programs have been approved for broadcast by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. CLTV 36 can also be seen in 38 cable TV stations in Central Luzon, Pampanga, Bulacan, Bataan, Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, CLTV 36 may also be watched nationwide through Signal Channel 115 and worldwide via live streaming at www.cltv36.tv. Programs telecast on this station may not be used for any purpose except exhibition at the time of their broadcast on receivers in places where no admission, cover, or mechanical operating charges are made. This is CLTV 36, now signing on.
malagong balen, tamo keni kumibay, ing manyaman na bie, keni kumuikik, saksi king lugod dangal, tapang nagkabdas nun, pagmaragul kay matena ka na dayong kapampangan.
Yening maragul na ko, akakikula ding niyayaliwang tao.
Pagmulalandeing malagong probinsya tabo. Abe-abe palang nagkatan, the whole world in our own kababayan.
Welcome to Pampanga, Malaus, Copu,
Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the place you'll go, you're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. The world-class fabulous scenes, Pampanga, Philippines. The seas to leave, you won't wanna leave, 'cause you're in Pampanga.
everybody say yeah, 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 yeah.
Sukita laking marangle, isang banat matwang bale. Kahit tawing ganang pagmaragol tingga. Manibaking tradisyon ang garating bagong panahon. Paborenyong maniglo,
Sana keno bisang mapo.
to anyone who's looking for the best culinaria, the best chefs, kusinera, and delicious carineria. Heirloom recipes of Kapampangan families. You will surely lose your sanity.
Come on everybody say Manganta Pampanga.
Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah. Pampanga, yeah. The world has fabulous scenes. Pampanga, Philippines.
Sa ganun ka rin kaman, Morac, Araya, Susmuan, Magalang, Florida, Blanca, Lubao, Mexico, Bago sa Simon, sa Daan, sa Sarita, sa Luis, Santo Tomas, Apalit, Sinaling, Ganda, Bacolor, Angeles, City, Mabalacat, City, Masandul, Macabebe, City of Fernando, we got to be proud. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah, Pampanga, yeah. The world has fabulous scenes. Pampanga, Philippines. La 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 la, no tapa. La 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 la, no tapa.
Everybody loves Pampanga.
La 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 la, no tapa. La 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 la, no tapa.
Everybody loves Pampanga.
Pampanga, yeah. Get ready for the places you'll go. You're gonna have a blast, I know. Pampanga, yeah. Pampanga, yeah. The world has fabulous scenes. Pampanga, Philippines.
Pampanga, manyaman, Pampanga, manyaman, Pampanga, manyaman, Pampanga. Wow!
Kapampangan mi sakwak, kinglegwananing alaya, gabunding pantas at marangal, sibul ning lugod, karinaning tepangan, batis ning katalaruan, at panamdam makabanen, ligaya mi inget payapa, king malugod mong kandungan. Kapampangan sa lening leguan, Kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, kilubing pusumi, atin kang dambana, luit ka, palsintan ming Kapampangan. Kapampangan, Kapampangan sa leninleguan, Kapampangan sandalaning katimawan, hilugding puso atin ka